Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds OPPO Enco Air 3i. When you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone. You can use gestures on your earbuds. At the back side of each earbud we have touch controls, right here and right here. And with it you can play or pause the song, you can play next or previous track, you can also call voice assistant, you can enable or disable game mode, but you need to set game mode and voice assistant because by default you cannot do this. And with a press and hold you can volume control your music or your audio. Now, to customize it, you need to open Hey Melody app. Of course, you need to add these earbuds to the app, and then you just go to the earbud controls here, and you can set, let's say for the double press, to enable or disable game mode, and for the triple press I already set to call voice assistant. You can do this also for the right earbud, it's up to you. Next, these earbuds have spatial audio, what more immersive sound. Right here we have OPPO Alive Audio, and I recommend at least try to use this mode. You can also play some song and check the difference between when you have it disabled or enable it. Next, if you want to improve your listening experience, you can not only enable spatial audio but also change equalizer preset. And under the spatial audio we have presets. So right here we have three what OPPO offer for us. You can, by default, you use original sound, bass boost. This is my favorite mode, so I use this one. You can also use clear vocals. It's a good one. Next, if you play games, you will like it because these earbuds have game mode, and right here we have it. So just enable it, but I don't recommend it to use this mode all the time, because with this mode you may have connection instability. So when you finish to play games, just disable this mode. You can also add this to the gesture as I did, and just disable it by the gesture and enable it. Also, if you want to check your battery level, you can do this in the application. Right here we have battery level for the left and right earbuds. You can put one of your earbud to the case and check the battery level for the case. Now, if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can perform a factory reset. You need to remove your earbuds from the case, and then at the back side we have touch areas. So you press and hold it for at least 15 seconds until you will hear a prompt, and then you need to reconnect your earbuds with the phone, and with it you can fix a lot of trouble. If you still don't know how to perform a factory reset, you can find a video at the channel for these earbuds, how to perform a factory reset, we have it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!